Bonjour and welcome to WanderVision. Today, let's take a relaxed journey through France, a land of timeless beauty, charming villages, and world-famous landmarks. Sit back, relax, and let's explore the must-visit places in this magical country. We begin in Paris, the city of love and lights. Stroll along the Seine, admire the masterpieces inside the Louvre, and watch the sunset from the Eiffel Tower. Paris captures the heart of every traveler. Next, escape to Provence, where purple lavender fields stretch as far as the eye can see. The peaceful countryside and charming stone houses offer a slower, magical side of France. For sunshine and glamour, the French Riviera is the place to be. Relax on the beaches of Nice, stroll through colorful coastal towns, and soak up the luxurious vibes of Monaco. In the heart of France, the Loire Valley is a fairy tale come true. Discover stunning castles, endless vineyards, and charming historic villages, perfect for a peaceful escape. Finally, experience the wonder of Mont Saint-Michel, a medieval island rising dramatically from the sea. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's one of the most breathtaking sights in Europe. France is a country that invites you to slow down, explore, and savor every moment. From bustling cities to hidden villages, every corner has a story to tell. Thanks for traveling with WanderVision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on more journeys around the world.